Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss about computers and internet. So here we shall discuss some basics of computers and basics of internet. Now here you can observe that in the past, like in 1930, this type of computers were there. Then in 1947, model computers were like this shape. Then in 1950, model DSIR, ACT Pilot Model 1950 and PL, this type of models were there. So these were very huge at that time. Then you can observe that this type of computer machines were there. And then IBM came. Then this type of computers were there. Then you have observed that CPU, monitor and keyboard, so this type of computers were there. And then Apple II, this type of computer that was made by Apple II. This is also a company of computer. Then again Deluxe, this was somehow advanced version of computer. Then monitor converted into LED. Then CPU converted into more small size. Then this type of computer in which the screen and CPU both have been integrated with one another. Then it came this in the form of laptop, and now the modern form, that is now in the form of mobile, that each and everything is in our mobile phone. Now we are also using smart TVs. This is just like computer. Now transparent LED displays there that we can observe just like a transparent lens. Now this is also an advanced version of computer that we can throw light through our devices to on the wall or any screen, and we can observe any type of media over there. Hologram display, this is also an advanced concept that just we can imagine that a person, like if he is working at somewhere, so we can observe the same movement of that person over here with us. Sixth sense is there. This is also a new concept. So this was some basics of computers, that how the different stages were there. But now I will discuss some computer hardwares. Here I would mention that computer hardwares basically means that the equipments, the material or the parts of computer that physically we can touch, or we can feel, we can see and observe. So what type of computer hardware are there? Like keyboard, this is an input device. From this device we can input our words data into our computers. Mouse, this is also an input device. This is hardware. CPU, this is the central processing unit. Ports, this is also a part of computer that we can observe behind the CPU. Different types of ports are there, and where we can insert our different wires, different switches, different connections. So these are basically called ports. This is the main part of the CPU, that this is called motherboard. This is processor. When information we put in the CPU, so in the CPU through processor information is being processed, and then it goes further. This is also fan for keeping cool of our processors. This is a memory device, memory storage device. We call it hard disk. And this is RAM. RAM, the function of RAM is basically just to take information, and then for a time being this stores information in RAM, and then it sent to the further CPU. This is CD or DVD writer. We can write our CDs, or we can run our CDs. This is UPS. This is basically used for electricity, and if we don't have electricity, then we can use this. Is basically a storage device of electricity. This is a speaker that from where we can listen sound. These are cables we use for audio video systems, to get audio from the CPU, or to get images from that CPU to our monitor or screen. This is webcam, that if you don't have any camera built in your laptop or in your desktop computer, then we can install, or we can attach a webcam with that computer. This is basically just like a camera. This is external hard drive. This is basically again a type of hard disk, that where we can store our data through external cable. This is printer, that if we want to print some documents, then we can print our documents through this printer. So this is just a device which is used for printing papers, printing documents, etc. This is a projector. Before this we have studied that what types of projectors are there. This the main function of this device is just to throw the images or our media on some screens on big wall or surfaces. This is mic or headset that we can use for audio, and we can listen without disturbing our surrounding people. This is a scanner, that if we want to scan, like if we want to get a documents immediately, then we can scan by placing our documents on this in hand on it, and then we can scan, and that document similarly we can get in our computers. This is a pen drive. This is also like a USB drive, that we can store some data, and it also has different capacities like 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, and so on. So we can also store data into this type of drive. This is a CD. This is also a storage device. We can store our documents on it as per its capacity. This is game console, that if you want to play a game on smart TV or our LED, so we can connect this device with our computers or with our screens, so we can play our games. This is a touch pen, that you can write down through this pen on screen, or we can attach a touch pad with a computer or laptop, and whatever you will write down on that pad with this pen, so it will reflect just like a blackboard or whiteboard as we write down over there with our markers or pointers. So this is also a touchpad that we can use as we have on laptops, that if we scroll or we move some things with our fingers, so this works just like the same touchpads. This is joystick, that we can use this joystick for our games. Okay, this is connect. This box is being used for games, that we connect with our LEDs or LCDs, and through game console with we can play it. Now we shall discuss that what are operating system. Operating system are basically the system or software which is being used into our computers. Like we have Windows. So this is operating system, because if we don't install a window in our computers, so we can't run any application over there. So operating system basically a platform. When we install this platform in any device, so then we can run different applications over there. So what type of operating systems are there? So we see that this is the operating system of XP. So XP, the interface of XP is like this. Then this is operating system of Windows 7. So we can see that Windows 7 interface is just like this. So this is the operating system of Windows 8. This is Mac. This is also operating system. Then OS Ubuntu. This is also an operating system. Now application software. Application software is basically these are the programs which do real work for the users. So we have different types of applications, like the most common, that is Microsoft Office, and in which Microsoft Office is basically the package of different applications like MS Word, MS Excel, MS Outlook, MS PowerPoint, and so on. So these are basically a combination of different packages, different applications into one MS Office. So this is Outlook of Microsoft Outlook that we don't use frequently in our daily routines, but this is one of the application. This is MS Word, and this is mostly used in offices or wherever the administration work is there. So this is MS OneNote Basics. This is MS PowerPoint, and when we present something like I am presenting, so this is also I am presenting through PowerPoint. So this is MS Excel, that this is just like a sheet that we can calculate or we can write down just like a forms in that application. This is MS Access, that we can build different forms, we can different packages, database in this application. This is Microsoft publication, publishers. Here we can see pictures. Now Internet. So what are the basics of Internet? I have explained earlier that Internet is basically the network where we can access each and everything. Anybody can access. So we have different browsers like Google Chrome, Opera Mini, Firefox, and Internet Explorer, and these are basically these are the browsers through which we can search, or in other words we can say these are search engines. So few keywords that we use like address bar, bookmark, privacy, cookie, stamp, new tab, history, proxy, HTTP. This is interface of Google Chrome. This is interface of Firefox. This is speed dial, and this is Apple Mac. This is view of Apple or Mac, where we have installed Mac operating system. So this is Explorer. Basically when we install Windows, so this type of engine, search engine or browser, you can say that this is automatically built in that operating system. Now remember that whenever you sit in front of computer, so now see that your eyes must be parallel to the screen. Then this your forehead, your forearms should be parallel to the floor when you type. So the type of standard desk is usually too high for proper typing posture. And this is thigh. Your thighs should be parallel to the floor, and chair height adjusted to support them, and your feet should rest comfortably on the floor on the footrest for support, and make sure that there is enough room near the keyboard to comfortably operate a mouse or trackball. So the monitor should be positioned slightly below eye level. In particular, the mirror monitor should never be placed above eye level. Looking up at a monitor can stress your neck. So this is type of network when you have a link between the different persons. So it is a good network. LAN basically when we connect our computers with one hub, so that's called a LAN. This is internet, that through internet services we have connection with one another. So internet services are basically these are hosts who are providing us the internet services. Hypertext transfer protocol, this is HTTPS versus HTTPS. Hosting and proxy. Hosting basically provides the nets to us, and proxy means that once we get internet, like PTCL is providing us, so it provides a proxy. Online movies are there. We can see online movies through internet. We can have online banking through internet, and this is online bus ticket we can book, or we can transform money from one place to another place through internet. We can chat online, we can see online videos, we can chat one another, like with through Zoom or Skype or like Emo, and this type of software can be used for online videos chatting. So these are basically extensions that in Google Chrome we can find out extensions, and if we install it and we add on the main bar, so we can directly access to these things, like this is mail, and then OneDrive, YouTube, and so on. Mails, we have different mail platforms like Google Mail, Yahoo Mail, and Hotmail, etc. So whenever we make a mail on Gmail, or means Google search engine, so through Google we get user ID and @gmail.com, and Yahoo extension is at yahoo.com, and Hotmail at hotmail.com. So these are basically extension when we use the platform of Google, Yahoo, or Hotmail, and so on. So email features, like when we use email, so we already have studied that through email we can send, read, on-read, replay, archive, delete, move, folder, and so on. We can also use all features through emails. So these are search engines. Although we are using just like Google and Yahoo, and but there are so many search engines are there. So this is interface of Yahoo. This is Bing, and this is Google, and this is a Google Make, because Google is providing different services like Google Map, Google Docs, Google Drive, and so on. So this is Google Drive. Google Drive is basically a space, and Google provides at least 15 GB online space, free of cost, that you can place your documents over there, but you must have Google account, like Gmail account, and through that Gmail account you access for 15 GB space. This is YouTube. Through YouTube we can also run our videos, we can upload our videos, and publicly we can show our videos to the audience. This is Microsoft. Microsoft is again an operating system that is providing us different like applications like Bing and Window and Black Box, or and so on. All these things basically are provided by Microsoft. Sixth Sense is basically that what is gesture, how do you find, and how we can voice recognize, or data mining, object recognition, real-time analysis. This is basically what in the future going on. Tools, different tools are there, like Adobe PDF extension for Microsoft Office, and YouTube downloader, and screen capture. Again, I would explain that here. If you install Opera Mini, so this screen capture option is there. Google Drive is always present when you have Google account. PDF editor, online editor, so each and everything you can do through this internet. Wireless internet is there. Very slow. If you see that your internet is very slow, then it depends upon your the host, that how much that is strong. Then there are different antivirus, because when you use internet, then different files are to be attached with different documents or with different softwares. When we download that software, so different files are attached, which when runs, so it mingle up with the files of Windows operating system, and then when we run our Windows, so that may create a problems for us. So antivirus, this is basically try to when we have this type of antivirus in our computer, so it avoids for intruding of such activities or such viruses from outside. Hacking, this is also again an issue that you can be hacked through internet. Like if you are sitting here and you are online, and the other people who are sitting in somewhere else, and they can hack your data from your computer. So be careful when you are online, so your documents must be in a safe mode, or you must have some password on your documents. So there are different types of error, that blue screen, system restore, 404 not found, browser crash, very slow. So these are basically related to the internet issues. Like these are blue screen error. So this is system restore, and this is 404 not found, and this is browser crash. When you look this type of message, so it means that your browser is crashed, so you must restart your browser. So dear viewers, thank you very much for listening me. Hopefully you would understand each and everything, but if you don't have if you have some queries or ambiguities, you can ask through your questions. And if you like this video, then share with your friends. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.